anything like me, you have some amazing vinyls lying around that are so beautiful, but they're just really hard to transfer. So I have here, this is one of my favorites. It's a glitter, it's rainbow, it's absolutely stunning, but I tend not to use it because it's so hard to transfer onto any item. So I'm just using here what I would normally use, which is just my mid tack. Okay, I'm brayering front, I'm brayering back, and you can see it's not even attempting to stick to the transfer tape. There's absolutely no adhesion there at all. Now, normally what I would do is I would fight with it and I would bend it back and I would try to get it to stick down, but you can see that's a frustrating element of it. So the other day I was given some Tack wrap, high tack transfer tape, and I want to see if it works. So this is my first time using it, so let's give it a go together. So let's pop it on, and you can see it's really sticky. And we'll just do the same thing. We'll braille once on the front and we will braille once on the back. So, and look at that. That is amazing. It is on there, not a problem at all. I don't have to fight with it. It's transferred beautifully. I'm really, really happy with that. All right, so the next test is let's see if it transfers onto our item easily. Okay, because that can be the other problem. We're using a high tack, we get it onto the transfer tape, but then it doesn't release easily. So let's just give it a go. I'm just going to give it a little brayer down. I won't do too much, and we'll just see what happens. And let's remove it, and look at that. Now, I am really, really happy with that. Nice and easy. So it picked up the glitter, no problem at all, without too much work, and it's transferred off onto the product without me having to do too much work. Well, guess what I'm doing?
We'd love you to support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with all your friends, and also subscribe to us so you don't miss out on anything new that we put out.